Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see some useful iPhone applications that you should consider trying. I have also published recently some other useful iPhone and iPad applications. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Also, I'll pin that in the first comment. If you want to have a look at it, give it a try. The very first application that we are going to see today is telecast camera application. For iPhones, if you have an older iPhone or if you want to use your current primary latest iPhone as a web camera, then you can use this application. The iPhone, both the front or rear camera, you can decide it, and as you can see, the interface looks pretty simple. Once you connected it with wire, it will immediately show the data rate of the video that is being transmitted to your Mac computer. Currently, it has only Mac application. The developers are saying that they are working on Windows compatible version. So in future, you will be able to work with the Windows computer, the laptop or desktop. You can use your iPhone camera as a web camera. It also provides plenty of useful functions like you can control the iPhone cameras, either the front or rear, the ISO, the exposure, and so many other camera settings easily while using the telecast camera application. So as you can see from OBS or Streamlabs, you have to simply select the source camera as telecast camera and the feed will be fetched from the telecast camera application. You have to install the telecast webcam application on your Mac as well. You can download it from the telecast.camera, the official website of this application. There you can see from the screenshot. I'll leave a link to that in the description as well, the applications that you need to download, whatever the apps that we are going to discuss in this episode. So there the macOS application should be downloaded, and then you will see the iPhone also have the telecast camera application from App Store. Separately, you have to download both, and then you can control the several aspects of the camera and you can use it as a webcam easily. For broadcasting or streaming, it doesn't matter. Your iPhone is going to work as a web camera for your streaming purpose. The next application that we are going to see today is Calm Harm. We all know, most of us know that the application Calm is meant for meditation purposes. So this one is kind of, have that meditation app feel, but the purpose is a lot different, entirely different, I would say. From the name itself, you can understand that the Calm Harm is like if you're trying to harm yourself, or if you know someone close to you, some of your friend who are stressed, depressed, and they are unable to get out of it, then this application could be a possibility, a 50-50 chance for them to, just if it helps, it'll be great, right? So just give it a try and see how it actually works for you, and then you can suggest it to someone who are not, kind of opening up to you when they are stressed or depressed and you want to help them in some way. So just suggest them to give it a try and try these exercise and see how it actually works. So as you can see, the interface is pretty simple, from breathing exercise to if they are in so much stress, they can take up these exercises under certain category, and they'll feel better after a few minutes. So as you can see, the exercise could be 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and based on that, they'll provide you plenty of tasks that you have to complete to achieve that particular goal. Here I have selected distract. I want to, I may be overthinking at particular time and I want to distract myself at certain periods. So in such case, the first task will be like roll a dice, and I have to think positive things about myself or I have done based on the numbers I have got from the dice. And there are several other challenges, it'll make you to search, and sometimes it'll make you to think, from apart from what you were thinking before that stresses you much, that depresses you much. So this will be definitely useful. And here under the comfort, task that I have to do, like, can you think of 5 people who have given you their warmest smiles? Could you call one of them for a small chat? So simply we can chat them like hi, hello, some greeting messages, and see how it goes. Record yourself saying as many positive things as you can about something that matters, and listen to it as many times as you like. Eat something you enjoy. That I can do anytime. Make it slow and just notice how it goes. So these kind of tasks that will help you to get divert from what you were stressing you a lot about. So I hope this app helps you or some of your friend. Do give it a try. The next application that we are going to see is Send Anywhere. So this is something similar to Share It application, but unfortunately the Share It is banned in several countries. If you're looking for a file sharing application between iPhone to Android, to Windows to Mac, or any other. Of course, iPhone to iPhone or iPhone to Mac, we always have AirDrop. But in case of cross-platform file sharing support, like, you can give a try with this application. It keeps all the contents that you have organized, and when you try to transfer, it of course gives a good transfer rate for both the upload and download. So give it a try, and I'm sure you will definitely like it. So Send Anywhere is the application. So here we will take a small demo. They also have some internet-based file sharing feature, like you can host the file, you can send the file to the Send Anywhere server, and you can generate a link for a certain period of time, and you can send the link through WhatsApp or Telegram or any other messenger service to someone to download it. So several other features are there with this application, and from the demo you can see that I have to simply scan the QR code, or I can simply tap and connect the device that I want to pair, and it instantly pairs. So the file transfer window immediately opens, and I can send and receive files anytime I want. As the application is free, the only annoying thing that I find is the advertisement, kind of an intrusive advertisement, but it is okay. It is free. At the same time, you don't have to, worry about the cross-platform support. The files are being sent immediately almost. For larger file transfers also, it will be very useful. If you have an account, as I said earlier, if you have an account, you can also use their, file hosting services to send and receive files. I have also published a video about top cloud storage applications that you need to consider for iPhone, iPad, and Android phones. I'll leave a link to that in the description and the first comment as well. And the next application we are going to see is something interesting, which is Mematic. If you're kind of a meme person, you like meme, and if you want to create a meme on your iPhone, then this Mematic will definitely be handy. Simply, you have to select the type of columns that the meme that you are dreaming about is going to have, and then you can select the pictures from your camera album, the camera roll, or the Photos application, and you can start typing the words on the top or in the bottom frame, the captions, and then you can straight away create a meme. So the task of creating a meme, you don't need to have a Photoshop application or any other complex application. It simply have a perfect font choice and the framing options for the images that you try to import. So everything is all in one place. If you want to remove the intrusive advertisements on the top, and if you want to get some watermark removal feature, then you can of course upgrade to Pro version, but it is not necessary in most cases, as I believe. So if you want to convey the message, that is what memes all about. So convey the message, make people smile or laugh, and you can add your own, the memes page or brand names on the meme itself. Overall, I would say as a free application, this Mematic is definitely a wonderful choice for you. So I'll leave a link to all these applications in the description. I'll also pin that in the first comment. So if you want to take a spin of any of this application, give it a try. For more useful iPhone, iPad, and Mac related tips and tricks videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.